안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make sliced rice cake soup, 떡국. It's gonna be the last video of 2019. 2 days later, it's 2020 and I will show you the Korean New Year dish. Rice cake soup is the first meal in the morning of New Year. Family gathers around and share this rice cake soup with other foods. It's a symbol of New Year in Korea. It's meaningful because it's believed that by eating rice cake soup, a person ages one more year. What's more, the white color and long shape of rounded rice cake mean purity and longevity. That's why this rice cake soup is the first meal of the new year. Okay, then let's set the table. First, I'm going to make a broth. Heat the sesame oil over high heat. When the oil is hot, add the beef and stir fry until outsides are browned. Pour the water and cover up a lid. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat for 30 to 50 minutes. During the time, wash the sliced rice cakes and soak in cold water for 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to prepare the garnish. Separate the egg yolk and white. Beat the egg well. And fry on a lightly greased skillet over low heat. After that, roll up the egg and cut into thin slices. And shred the seaweed. Okay, then open the lid and season with soup soy sauce, salt, and minced garlic. And put the rice cake. Cook for 5 to 10 more minutes. When the rice cakes have softened, turn off the heat. Move them to the bowl and garnish with egg garnish and seaweed. Sprinkle with ground black pepper if necessary. It smells so good. Okay, let me taste. I love this unique chewy texture of rice cake. It's pretty different chewy texture from chewing gum or jelly. It's chewy but swallowed easily. And the broth is so good. It has a deep taste from a beef and the beef is tender. Especially I like the combination of seaweed and black pepper's flavor. It's savory and tasty. I usually put more seaweed as much as I can. Like this. Today I made tteokguk. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.